Hi there, welcome back to the channel.
Well, as the title says, we've booked our summer trip to Holland.
Yes, we have. We've booked to Holland. Now, we were looking at Ferry Crossings prior to going.
We did. Now, we live in the northwest of England, so the easiest route for us is via Hull, which we've actually previously used before, but we haven't used it with the Caravan.
That's right. So, yeah, we chose Hull as our crossing to Rotterdam.
It is. It's an overnight ferry, and it's usually is a nice trip because you book a cabin, they have restaurants on, so it's a very pleasant trip actually.
It is. The food, as far as I can remember, is really good on there. I enjoy their buffet service in the restaurant. I think it's really nice. So we booked the actual holiday through the Caravan and Motorhome Club.
We did, because last year we said we booked again through the Caravan and Motorhome Club to France. Now, it was very straightforward. We had no problems with the paperwork or anything going over, so we looked again at the Caravan and Motorhome Club to do this holiday, and we said you rang, and it was really straightforward, wasn't it?
Yeah, we got the brochure that you can get free from the club, if you remember, and we chose the two sites that we wanted to go to, which I'll explain in a moment. And then we rang them up. Now, it's £10 extra, I believe, if you ring a human being.
But
to be honest,
it's well worth it, because they go through it and they can amend it and look which the best datum for you, and you can save you quite a bit of money, because I think we amended ours by one day, and I think it reduced it by £100.
Just short of 100 quid, yeah. It was about 100 quid all in. That's including the ferry and obviously saving the site fee as well. So we were quite pleased with that. So yes, so we are going to Hull, and then we're going to go to Rotterdam, and then from Rotterdam we're going to Nijmegen. Now, Nijmegen is the far end of Holland, on the east side, and it's close to Germany, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why we picked it, because it gives us quite a few areas in Holland that we wanted to go and visit, but also we said it gives us a chance to go over into Germany, where is somewhere we've never actually been.
No. Now, we plan on filming our little trip, don't we?
We do, because we have looked, and we didn't see that there's many caravans, YouTube channels that we saw that had actually done the Holland trip. I think there might be the odd motorhome one, but we didn't find any Caravan ones.
No, we didn't. I mean, if you've done one, I do apologise, but we've not found it. But yeah, so we're going to be filming that. We just want to share the experience, because we want to see what it's like to tow actually in Holland. You know, we all know that Holland's pretty flat, so that's pretty good for a start. But we wanted to sort of go through all those aspects with you, and probably share the sites as well. So from the Nijmegen site,
we're going back towards Rotterdam, because there's quite a few places along that coastline that we'd like to visit, and also the train line along there is really good. So we're hoping to be able to actually do a few train trips, which actually extends how far you can go as well.
Yeah, I think we're going to go into Amsterdam, and Madam wants to go to Rotterdam because there's a C&A.
There is.
A C&A? When did we last have a C&A? In the 80s? Yeah. My God.
Showing our ages here.
So yeah, so anyway, we won't be just going to C&A, I believe you me, because shopping's not my thing. But yeah, we're gonna do that, and then obviously it's a short trip from where we're staying. I think it's called Delft, and it's back to the ferry terminal and then home, isn't it?
It is, I said it is, and that's an easy crossing back, because it's a tea time crossing back, and then you land back here in the morning, nice and refreshed, and then do your homeward journey. So it's an easy travelling crossing for us. So, and it's just a great crossing. But we also, there is a few films another film you were going to do as well.
Yeah, what I plan on doing is I'm going to do a film prepping the Caravan for Holland, and the reason why, you might think, well, everybody's done that, and the answer is yes, they have, to a certain degree they have, but there are some different towing laws in Holland to other European countries, which I hope to be explaining to you in that video. Some of them, well, one in particular might surprise you actually. But nonetheless, we will be doing a video on that as well. but that'll be later in the year. Well, I think that's more or less covered it, hasn't it?
That's it, yeah. So we're just really looking forward to it. It's something we've been planning for a while, so hopefully you'll find it interesting to see our trip.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing, and also hit the thumbs up. It does help the analytics for the channel. But in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.